So this is the run that Gevo had on Friday, and the funny thing is that we called this a couple of days before it. And the first we had the box, which indicated my expectation of a spike, and also on our Discord channel we had a discussion about when this is going to happen. So on the 21st I said there is a spike by noon, and then on the 22nd people remember that there is a spike at noon, but then it happened around what was it, 12 something. So it's very close, it's very interesting. The point is that we on Discord have a very lively discussion in there. So if you want, you can join. We have Gevo channel, we have EV, drones, and other stocks and crypto. So if you are interested, the invitation for this Discord server is available in the description below. All right, so let's now talk about the expectations for this week in terms of the price action for Gevo. So as we can see here, if we have a look at the daily, let's actually start with the monthly, and let's clean that up. So if you notice here, we have the EMAs are crossing, right? Now they are in order, and the next one is going to be the EMA 20. So here these are the EMAs, and as we go and continue to go up, this is going to get squeezed and it's going to go higher and higher. All right, in terms of the next EMA, that is very far away. All right, so that's it for the monthly. In terms of the weekly, we have them all organized and in order. The 200 EMAs at 665, so that's far away also. On the daily, we are in order, we are going up. As you can see, the EMAs are gaining more slope, right? And we also have, if you look at the IC, we have the cross here, the conversion over the base, which is good. We still have a green cloud, and we are trading above it. So that's for the EMA and IC. Super trend, we are trading above it, and here this shows that we have ranging, right? It's flat. So hopefully then over the next week we're going to see this rising. If you look at the DMI, we will notice that we still have buying pressure higher than selling pressure, and this is increasing. You see, this keeps making higher highs. Amazing. All right, that means that's the ADX. So it shows that this trend is very powerful. It's strong momentum and it's gaining more and more strength, which is amazing. If we look at the RSI has cooled down and now is going hot, which is good, right? It means that we are pushing this, and we had like 3 spikes in the last, I don't know, couple of months. So this means that we can still keep pushing. You see, it goes down, it keeps here and then goes up, goes down and goes up. So it's hot, yes, but at the same time, the sheer strength of this momentum is keeping it at this level, and that's fine. All right, that is fine for a strong momentum like this. In terms of the DC and the Bollinger Bands, we have dropped significantly from the upper line, right? And now we are pushing up again. So probably we are going to push further and push this up. So that is what we should expect next. And in terms of the Bollinger Bands and the BBW, Bollinger Band width, all right? So this is what we are seeing. We are seeing that the bandwidth is increasing. Still, it's not as high as the one spike that we had in August. So that's okay. And in terms of the Bollinger Band itself, we dropped a little bit, and now we are pushing again the upper band. So that is a consistent thing that we are seeing here. We have on the 4-hour chart, we have actually dropped all the way to the medium or to the middle band, and now we are pushing it, right? So that's DC and the Bollinger Bands, which is nice. This means we are pushing this further. So in terms of the price range that we should expect, if we look at this, and let's put our daily, and then let's here indicate 1 day. So that's the next day, the 25th, tomorrow, right? And if we look at the range that we are expecting here, we are talking about ranging between 10 64 all the way up to 1385. All right, 1385, and usually what happens is that it could push to that 61.8% Fibonacci extension level and then pulls back to the 13.85 or 90, that range. All right, so that's what we should expect the ranging tomorrow, right? So on Friday, we closed what? We closed 11, right? So again, on Webull, it doesn't show on the daily chart the last price in the after hours. That's what I mean. All right, so around 11, that is somewhere here, right? So that's where it closed. So that the range we are expecting is that to go somewhere from here, 11 to 35, all the way up here. Now, it happened before that in a channel like this, the second spike becomes stronger because it's trying to break out from this channel. And I underestimate the run. So if this goes like a crazy run like we have seen before, we have the 100% Fibonacci extension level at 18.7. All right. But on a moderate expectation, I'm seeing 14.7 or something, or even like 13 something. So that in that range here, which is the channel boundary, but then it happens that it pushes all the way up, which happened multiple times before. So for example, that was another channel, one spike, second spike, it's out. And then what happens that it goes out and then it pulls back to use the channel as support, as you can see here, and then it jumps again. So that could happen here. It could go up, right? We are talking about 14 something, 16 something, and then it pulls back for a day or two after this crazy run, because that would be crazy here. Pulls back, uses this channel as support, and then bounce back up and continues the rise, which is expected for Gevo, honestly, with all of the attention it's getting and the positive news that we are getting. So that's it. These are the expectations. If you want to see this live, I stream it usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays on YouTube. And also we are streaming sometimes privately on the Discord channel for the members of the server. All right, so make sure to join the server and also to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and good luck this week.